Hi everyone, welcome to my blog. This is another blog, and the weather is good. It's a very hot, I would say. So there was a very famous story. Uh, I hope everybody read that story. So there was a four very best friend, lived in a village. They lived together. Their name was everybody, somebody, anybody, and nobody. And there was a very famous festival was supposed to happen in the village. So teacher called all the four students, said that you all four make sure that the village will neat and clean tomorrow before the festival. Now the real climax of the story is everybody thought that somebody will do it. Somebody thought that anybody can do it, and anybody felt that somebody is already doing it, and nobody assumed that somebody is already taking care of it. So next day the teacher came to school and asked all the four students why the school is not yet clean, why the school is still dirty. So somebody start blaming, everybody start blaming to somebody blamed to anybody blame that nobody help uh, to everyone to get the works done. So the moral of the story is everybody assumed that somebody is taking care of it, and nobody was concerned that go and check whether the work is done or still pending. So if you wanted your works to be done, okay, you cannot assume that somebody is doing it. You have to take the ownership and get the works done. So same thing I can correlate whether you talk about the corporate life or talk about your fitness related activity. So it's your life, okay? You want to be fit, you want to be a marathoner, you want to be a cyclist, you want to be a swimmer, you want to be an athlete. Why somebody will come and push you and motivate you rather than you to think about yourself that I want to be this and that, and get up, you know, uh, morning, take a first step to make sure that whatever you wanted to be, you will get that you know task done. So thank you so much. Whenever I get time, I always keep sharing uh, a thought, whatever I feel that I should share with everyone, and keep focused, keep motivated, and stay fit. You can see there's a very small village, beautiful village, nature. There's a pin drop silence other than the nature voice. Listen this. So you get a peace, you get a mind, your mind refreshed if you visit these places other than those metropolitan polluted pollutions, noise, etc. So always in weekend, whenever you get time, go to those place, get yourself motivated, get yourself positive